Thank you, sir, for welcoming me at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Vijayanagaram of Andhra Pradesh. I feel so happy to be here with all of you today evening. I wish you all happy and good evening. Many times students ask me, so why you go to Navodaya schools? What is your purpose of visiting schools? So I tell them that I consider all Navodayans as my own family people. So I go to Navodaya schools to see my family members, brothers and sisters, and then I want to serve in small way, whatever possible, because Navodaya Samiti, Navodaya schools have given us guideline. Come to learn and then go to serve. So somehow those simple words became our lifetime motivation, lifetime inspiration. अपने जीवन का एक बड़ा प्रेरणा बन गया। क्या? ज्ञान लेने के बाद हमें कुछ सेवा करनी चाहिए। आफ्टर लर्निंग वी शुड डू सम सर्विस फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ सोसाइटी, बिकॉज unless you do some good service for society, your heart will not be happy, satisfied. Because in Navodaya school, we get so much facilities, we get so many facilities, we get all the needs fulfilled in Navodaya school. Clothing, food, knowledge, education, good teachers, then life values we get in Navodaya school. Life science we get to know in Navodaya school, because Navodaya school is like the modern Gurukul, where you have teachers as your guru, to guide you 24 hours from the morning PT to the late night till you sleep. Teachers are with you. Nowadays in society we see even mother, father have no time, very less time to give to their kids, their sons and daughters. But in Navodaya school we have great fortune to have such wonderful teachers, which you will never get before Navodaya school, after Navodaya school. So the bond which we can have with the teachers will be lifelong bond. We have now also. I passed out in 98 from my school, Navodaya school, but till now the bond is still there, loving bond with the teachers. They also remember us and we also remember our teachers. Why? Because that relationship became so intimate, so happy, nice, loving, that we cannot forget any teacher. So we must be thankful to the society and our families and our teachers that they are helping us to become better in life. So I take the topic of life science, life values for my talk. We should know the value of life. How much is the value of life? Human life, especially human life. Life is there for plants, animals, birds, insects. Life is there for all. But human life is something very special. Human life is very special. In that also, Navodaya life is still more special. So as Navodayan human beings, Navodayan people, we should know the value of life. We hear about time, that time is money, time is money. Some quotes, some switchar thought we hear we read on the walls that time is money. But you tell me, in real sense, is time money? क्या समय अब पैसा है? You tell me, in your opinion, is time money or something higher than money? Tell me. Now then, students, बोलो, समय पैसा है या पैसे से भी ज़्यादा अनमोल है? बोलिए, बोलो. Yes, because you may have all the money, all the wealth, but you cannot buy even single day of human life. What to speak of one day? You cannot buy even 1 hour of human life. You see, sometimes in ICU, medical hospitals, ICUs, some patients are in the last stage of life, last days of their life. They come to know, they realize the value of time. Now you are young, so you may feel, oh, time is what money, time is ना, just time is for passing, टाइम पास के लिए समय है. हम सोचते हैं टाइम किसके लिए है? टाइम पास के लिए है. ऐसा सोचते बच्चे. टाइम पास कैसे होना चाहिए? टाइम पास के लिए क्या करो? कौन सी मस्ती करो टाइम पास के लिए? बच्चे सोचते हैं ऐसा. नो, someone in ICU can know what is the value of time. Suppose doctors tell the patient, sir, now you have only 2 days to live. That time, that patient can know the value of time. And he will ask the doctor, sir, please, you can take any amount of money, please give me more time. At least give me 1 month, give me 1 week, so that I can fulfill my अनफुलफिल्ड डिज़ायर्स. जो मेरी अपूर्ण इच्छा है उसको मैं पूरा कर सकता हूँ. थोड़ा मुझे समय दीजिए ना, 1 हफ्ते का समय दीजिए, 1 महीने का समय दीजिए, आपको जो चाहिए पैसा लीजिए. बट दैट टाइम, दैट मनी कैन नॉट गिव अस मोर टाइम. सो बेटर व्हेन वी हैव टाइम नाउ, वी यूज़ इट विथ केयर, विथ अटेंशन, विथ अवर इंटेलिजेंस. अपनी बुद्धि से अपने समय का सदुपयोग करना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि समय अपना जीवन है. समय क्या है? अपना जीवन है. टाइम इज़ नॉट मनी इन द रियल सेंस. टाइम इज़ लाइफ. बिकॉज व्हाट इज़ लाइफ? लाइफ इज़ द टाइम बिटवीन आवर बर्थ एंड डेथ. व्हाट इज़ लाइफ? टाइम gap. And time gap, you may say, a time given to us between birth and death. Do we know our date of death? कौन सा दिन अपना डेथ आएगा? किसी को पता है? Does anyone know? Scientists can know with their research, with their artificial intelligence, with the advanced intelligence, advanced techniques, can they know that what day will I expire? Will I leave this world? No scientist, no PM, no CM, nobody can know what is our date of death. You know dates of exams. You know the dates of exams. You get notice. You see the notice on notice board regarding your dates of exams. You know which time, which place, which subject exam is there. Still you find so difficult to study for exams, to be peaceful for exams. You find difficulty. You get tension sometimes. You get fear for exams. Oh, I have paper. You feel some fear, some tension, anxiety. You tell me, for death, there is no timetable, there is no any notice, there is no any schedule, there is no any advance information. But that exam will definitely come. So we must be intelligent to prepare for that exam also, because All the holy books inform us that the death is not the end of life. Death is not the end of life. It is simply an exam. It is simply an exam. If you prepare, if you study for that exam, you will be fearless. You will be fearless because you know what is the syllabus, you know what is the question paper, and you have studied nicely for that exam. You will have no fear. See, those students who study regular basis, they have no fear, they have no anxiety, they are ready for any time. So we say na, surprise test. Such students are ready for any surprise test, and death is the most surprising test. Without any advance notice, we have to face the exam of death. See, my point to mention this is that my purpose to mention this point is that we keep no fear of anything. That is the point. But we should know the truth of life. We should know the truth of life. कि जीवन का सत्य क्या है? जीवन का ये सत्य है कि अपने जीवन का कोई समय निश्चित नहीं है। यह जीवन का सत्य है। आप कितने बड़े बन जाइए, साइंटिस्ट बन जाइए, डॉक्टर्स बन जाइए, इंजीनियर बन जाइए, हमें अपने जीवन का ये जो चीज़ है कि अपने पास कितना समय है, ये कोई बोल नहीं सकता, कोई जान नहीं सकता। कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन जो भी समय अपने पास है वो भी बहुत महान है, वो भी बहुत अनमोल है, ऐसा बताया है। ऐसा आप लोग थोड़ा हिंदी समझते हैं? गर्ल्स, इंग्लिश आई शुड स्पीक और हिंदी आई शुड स्पीक? इंग्लिश। जूनियर गर्ल्स might be having difficulty. So, one philosopher, very famous, old history, Chanakya Pandit. Chanakya Pandit, he has mentioned, he has given the value of life. Value of, not just life, value of time in our life. He has said that even the one moment of human life is so valuable, so precious that all the wealth, all the money of the whole world cannot buy, cannot bring that moment back. Such is the value of human time, human life. So students, in nowadays school we have great opportunity to make our time, to make our life great and wonderful by using our time with care and इंटेलिजेंस। अपनी बुद्धि से और सावधानी से अपने समय का उपयोग करना चाहिए। सी द हैबिट्स यू मेक नाउ, द हैबिट्स ऑफ स्पीकिंग, लिसनिंग, डूइंग एनीथिंग, स्टडीज, प्लेइंग, योर हॉबीज, हैबिट्स है ना, फॉर हॉबीज, द हैबिट्स, द relationship or the behavior habits, the habits now you make will continue for your whole life. This is the age where we can cultivate good habits and we can give up any bad habits. If we have, we can give up, we can change now. Once you become adult, once you become young man, about 25, it's difficult to change our habits. But now this time, schooling time, we can easily change our habits. We can easily modify our good habits. We can do it. So I speak about life science, that we study physics, we study mathematics, we study chemistry, we study biology also. Then geography, history, economics is there, along with languages. And then arts, music, sports also there. But somewhere we lack the science of life. You may say, so we know science of life, biology we know, but unfortunately that biology does not mention anything about mind, anything about intelligence, anything about the ego, and nothing about the soul, without which life cannot exist. आत्मा के बिना जीवन नहीं हो सकता है, जीवात्मा। लेकिन वो जीवात्मा का उल्लेख भी नहीं है, नथिंग, नो मेंशन इन अवर सिलेबस, नो फिजिक्स, नो केमिस्ट्री, नो बायोलॉजी स्पीक्स अबाउट आत्मा, जीवा। जीव है तो जीवन है। इफ सोल इज देयर वी सी लाइफ, व्हेन सोल इज गॉन फ्रॉम द बॉडी then body cannot exist, body cannot survive, body cannot be maintained, body becomes dead, unconscious. So I'll speak about this basic thing, that our real self is not the physical body. Please pay attention, boys, last voice, can you listen me? Audible? Last voice? Okay. So our real self is not our physical body. Think about this. अपनी पहचान ये शरीर नहीं है, अपनी वास्तविक पहचान। हाँ, जब आईडी कार्ड बनेगा, आईडी कार्ड तो फोटो तो इस बॉडी का ही लगेगा, फेस, बट वी शुड नो विथ आवर कॉमन सेंस दैट our real identity is not the body. Body is simply like a vehicle, or we can say guest room. Body can be considered as the guest room. What is guest room? The room for the guests, guest room. So this name guest room can give you idea. We are the guests in the body for all time or for some time? Yes. The guest is not for all time. Guest means he is only for some time. And unfortunately, nobody knows for how much time we are the guests. That's why we should be intelligent to know the purpose of our life. अपने जीवन का उद्देश्य क्या है? What is goal of our life? We should know, so that when time is there, we achieve our goal, we fulfill our purpose, so that if time comes to leave the guest room, we are happy to go back home, back to our own place. यदि हमें पता होगा कि हम कहाँ से आए हैं, तो हमें वहाँ जाने के लिए दिक्कत नहीं होता है. इफ़ यू नो फ्रॉम विच प्लेस वी हैव कम, देन वी हैव नो डिफिकल्टी, वी हैव नो एनी sadness, we have no any fear, anxiety to go back to our native place. See, you all know from which place you have come to Navodaya school. You know it. आपको पता है आप कहाँ से आए हैं. You know it. From which place you have come here. You remember your native place? Or forgotten? Huh? Yes, please remember. Because if someone forgets native place, from where I came here, from where from I came in Navodaya, then when vacation time happens, when vacation time comes, he will not know where to go. He will ask all the boys, where are you going, where are you going? Because he doesn't know now, he has forgotten. So he will have difficulty, he will have anxiety, not knowing his name, not knowing his native place, not knowing his father, mother. This is our story, this is our life story, that we have come in this world by taking birth some time ago, but we have no idea from which place we have come to this world. Do you know आप कहाँ से आए हो दुनिया में? नहीं है ना, हमें आइडिया नहीं है. We have doubts, we have no knowledge, we have no understanding where from we have come. हमें पता नहीं है इसलिए हमें, दैट्स वाई वी हैव फियर, एंग्जाइटी फॉर आवर फ्यूचर। हमें भविष्य की चिंता होती है, हमें दुख होता है, भय होता है, किसका? भविष्य का। एंड इवन डेथ ऑल्सो वी हैव फियर बिकॉज वी डोंट नो आगे हम कहाँ जाएंगे, हमें पता नहीं है कहाँ जाना चाहिए। So my purpose to mention these points is that if you know simple thing about life, that we all have come to this world from the God's kingdom. हम भगवान के धाम से आए हैं। All the holy books, it may be Bible, it may be Quran, it may be Bhagavad Gita, Granth Sahib, all the holy books speak about this same common point, that we all, not just human beings, all living beings, we all living beings are the divine parts of the Supreme Lord. हम भगवान के दिव्य सनातन अंश है। In Bhagavad Gita, that sloka is there in 15th chapter, 7th number. I will chant that sloka. Mama eva amsho jivaloke jivabhuta sanatanah mana shashtani indriyani prakriti sthane kashrati. What is the meaning? Meaning is that all the living beings in this world are the divine, eternal, deathless spirit souls, the parts of the Supreme Lord. But because of the mind and senses, they are struggling hard. Mana shashrani indriyani prakriti sthane kashrati. All these living beings, all these jivas are struggling hard to survive with their mind and senses. Mind is known as the king of the senses. We have mainly 5 senses to acquire knowledge. Knowledge acquiring senses. How many are there? 5. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We acquire knowledge with these 5 senses. Mind is the 6th sense. Mind is the 6th sense. We say na, oh my 6th sense is telling me. ऐसे बच्चे लोग बोलते हैं my 6th sense. So in Bhagavad Gita, it is mentioned that mana mind, mana shashtani means 6. Mana shashtani indriyani senses. Mana shashtani indriyani prakriti means this material world. Prakriti sthane, in this world. Sthane kashrati means struggling hard. We are struggling hard just to survive, just to maintain our life, just to maintain our body. We are struggling hard. Body gives difficulties, body gives pain, body gives diseases, body gives discomfort. Body gives discomfort, body gives a lot of challenges. Body is never giving us pleasure. You see, simply to sit down for some time, it is difficult. Our legs are giving difficulty, our body is giving difficulty. It happens. Even to sleep peacefully is not easy nowadays. People are having tough time even to sleep. Even to eat peacefully with peaceful mind is difficult. If I tell you, be silent, keep quiet for 5 minutes. If I tell you to be quiet, silent for 5 minutes, it will be difficult. Why? The body gives challenges, difficulties, discomfort. Body gives discomfort. Okay, so my point is that we all are the divine parts of the Supreme Lord. The Lord is deathless, birthless, eternal, Satchidananda, Satchidananda. Sat means eternal, Sat, unchanging, Sat. Chit means knowledgeable. Chinmay, and we say Chinmay, that means Chit Shakti, Jnanamay. God is all knowing. Supreme Lord is all knowing. Sarvagya, all knowing. God knows the past of all living beings. God knows the present of all living beings. God knows the future of all living beings, because He is the Supreme Lord. He is all-knowing. Sat Chit Ananda. God is by nature. By nature, God is all blissful, Anandamaya. God will never be unhappy. God will never be disturbed. Why? He is the Supreme Lord. We have Supreme Court in our state. So definitely there is also the Supreme Lord for the whole existence. पूरा दुनिया जो है उसके गवर्नमेंट के लिए, उसके मैनेजमेंट के लिए, फॉर द यूनिवर्सल गवर्नमेंट, फॉर द यूनिवर्सल मैनेजमेंट, देयर मस्ट बी द सुप्रीम गवर्नमेंट, and that supreme government is of the Supreme Lord. All the devatas, all the goddesses, Devi, they are the ministers in that universal government. Vayu Devata, Surya Devata, Agni Devata, Jala Devata, Vidya Devata, Anna Devata. All these 33 crore Devata, Devi Devata, are the universal departmental heads, HOD, departmental heads, or we can say ministers for some time. They keep changing, like ministers, they keep changing. They have some time allotted for their service. That's why we say, सबका मालिक एक. सभी देवता, सभी जीव, सभी ब्रह्मांड, all the universes. In one universe, you see countless billions of planets, billions of stars are there. And how many such universes are there in the space existence? Billions of universes are there in the existence space. One universe means one Brahmand, like an egg, egg shell. Within one universe, there is one sun, one moon, and countless other planets and stars. And life is there. Life is there. All the planets, all the stars, all the universes. Life is there. Like life is there on the earth. We are staying. Life is there in the water. Life is there in the air. Life is there on the land. And all the universes are made of 5 common elements. Pancha Mahabhut. We say Pancha Mahabhut. All the universes are made of these common 5 elements: Bhumi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash. In English, earth, water, fire, air, and sky. These 5 elements make our universes, planets, bodies also. Physical bodies. See, I am changing topics because time is less, but you will get the understanding. I will speak slow. That some basic points you should know, that which are not there in our syllabus, which are very important. If we don't know basic thing of life, what? The fact we have come this world, we should know from which place we have come. And the fact we have to go one day from this world, we should know where to go. If you don't know from which place you have come, you don't know where you will go, then what can be the satisfaction of life? No, without knowing basic things. हम कहाँ से आए हैं, हम कहाँ जाएंगे, क्यों हैं यहाँ पे, दुनिया में क्यों हैं? केवल पैसे कमाने के लिए, केवल फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स पढ़ने के लिए? नो, वी हैव टू स्टडी, नो डाउट, वी हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, वी हैव टू स्टडी. बट if you know some basics of life, you will have peaceful mind, you will have focus, intelligence. That is my personal experience and personal conviction, that some basic things if you know about mind, senses, our life, God, soul, that will empower you. We say इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। दुर्ज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दें भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो। You know this prayer? This prayer first time we heard in Navodaya school 30 years back. First time I heard 30 years back, 1993. First time I heard this prayer. I was so happy to hear that इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता। तो दाता कौन है? भगवान है। One who has given us life, जो जीवन दिए हैं। केवल जीवन नहीं दिए हैं, जीवन के साथ साथ जीवन आवश्यक भोजन, अन्न, जल, पानी, है ना, हवा, सनलाइट, बुद्धि, ज्ञान, शक्ति, शरीर, सब कुछ दिए भगवान। तो हमें जानना चाहिए कि दुनिया जो बनी है, द वर्ल्ड विच इज़ मैनिफेस्टेड, क्रिएटेड, देयर इज़ अ गॉड टू क्रिएट। मॉडर्न साइंस doesn't speak about God, because modern science is based on only human observation. Modern science is based on human observation, and by human intelligence we cannot observe the soul by the eyes, we cannot observe the God. But our Vedic sciences, see, modern science is only 250 years old, given by modern people. But the Vedic science is billions of years old. In the beginning of creation, the Supreme Lord Narayan, the Supreme Lord Vishnu gave the Vedic knowledge first time to Lord Brahma. That's why you see Mother Saraswati has the books in the hand. Those books are Veda books. And we know 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, Atharva Veda. You know names, but you know nothing about Vedas. That what is there in the Vedas, you don't know, because in modern syllabus we have no scope for Vedic study. Anyway, that's why we need to hear at least once in life about these basic things that which Vedic science speak about. I will be short, in 5 minutes I will end. That all the Vedic sciences inform us that there is a Supreme Lord, and we all have the intimate, permanent relationship with the Supreme Lord. What is the relationship? तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो, you know it, this prayer? तुम्ही हो साथी, तुम्ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा। तो भगवान का और अपना क्या संबंध है, ये स्कूल प्रेयर में हम समझते हैं कि भगवान अपने आत्मा के माता पिता, बंधु, सखा, साथी, सहारा, सब कुछ है। हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं स्कूल में कि बच्चों आप बोलिए जगत के नाथ, बोलिए जगत के नाथ भगवान जगन्नाथ हम सबके साथ। तो फिर चिंता की क्या बात है? यदि भगवान जगन्नाथ हम सबके साथ है हृदय में, तो हमें चिंता की आवश्यकता नहीं होनी चाहिए। लेकिन हम मानते नहीं हैं। हम कभी जानते हैं, सुनते हैं कि भगवान सबके साथ होते हैं। गॉड इज़ देयर इन द हार्ट्स ऑफ ऑल लिविंग बींग्स। गॉड इज़ देयर टू गाइड अस, टू गिव अस नॉलेज, टू हेल्प अस, टू सपोर्ट अस। गॉड इज़ देयर। इफ यू नो and if you accept that God is there, if you believe, you will have empowerment. That when God is there with me to give me intelligence, to give me Shakti, I don't need to fear any exam, any difficulty, any challenge. I will keep my mind peaceful. I will not be disturbed by any difficulty. I will use my intelligence. I will use my intelligence and find out the way, find out the solution for any problem. Believe me, if you can have small faith also, even little faith if you can have in God, that will give you empowerment. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई। यदि भगवान की शक्ति होगी तो आपसे गलतियाँ कम होंगी। बाय नेचर ह्यूमन बींग्स कमिट मिस्टेक्स, वी से टू एयर इज ह्यूमन, टू एयर इज ह्यूमन, गलती करना मनुष्य का स्वभाव है। लेकिन यदि भगवान की शक्ति मिलेगी आपको, भगवान का ज्ञान मिलेगा, तो आप में बुद्धि का विकास होगा और फिर देन यू विल कमिट लेस मिस्टेक्स एंड देन नो मिस्टेक्स। एनीवे, लास्ट पॉइंट मैं ये बोलूँगा कि नवोदय स्कूल में हमें बहुत अच्छा सौभाग्य है, वी हैव गुड फॉर्चून टू मेक अवर लाइफ बेटर। हम जो कुछ भी आज है अपने जीवन में, हमने बीटेक किया, 12th साइंस के बाद हमने बीटेक किया मुंबई का कॉलेज में, विजय कॉलेज में, मैकेनिकल ब्रांच में। हम अपनी बैच के 10वीं के और 12वीं के डिवीज़न टॉपर्स थे नवोदय स्कूल में। पढ़ाई में हम बहुत आगे थे, लेकिन ये अनुभव हमने किया है कि केवल एकेडमिक अंकों से, सिंपली बाय एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस, ओनली बाय परसेंटेज मार्क्स, वी डोंट गेट हैप्पीनेस, we don't get satisfaction only by marks. Along with marks, we need good behavior. We need good behavior. We need good values of respecting others, respecting teachers, respecting our elders, respecting all. In the morning we take pledge. India is my next line. All Indians are my. So we should think about following this. We should think about फॉलोइंग अवर प्लेज, है ना, फॉलोइंग, पालन करना चाहिए। आगे क्या बोलते हैं, आई लव माई, उसका मतलब क्या है? लव मीन्स टू सर्व, लाइक मदर फादर, दे लव दी फैमिली, दे लव द किड्स, सो दे वांट टू, दे सर्व, दे डू ऑल द गुड ना अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर द किड्स फैमिली, दे वर्क हार्ड फॉर फैमिली, व्हाई? दे लव द फैमिली। In the same way, when you say I love my country, what is expected? अपेक्षा क्या है आपसे? आप कुछ तो सेवा कीजिए। किसके लिए? अपने परिवार के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए कुछ सेवा कीजिए। तो हमने भी जो है बीटेक के बाद जो है, हम लोग कंपनी में नहीं गए केवल पैसे कमाने के लिए, हम कॉलेज में गए, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में हम लोग ज्वाइन किए थे जॉब के लिए। 8 साल सेवा किया, 8 साल लेक्चरशिप किया वहाँ पे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में। लेकिन बाद में हमें विचार आया कि हमें शादी नहीं करनी है, हमें सेवा के लिए जीवन लगाना है। तो अपना स्वभाव के अनुसार, माय नेचर इज सोशल लाइफ, सो आई डिड नॉट एक्सेप्ट फैमिली लाइफ, स्मॉल फैमिली। आई बिकेम अ monk in temple, in ISKCON temple Mumbai, and last 12 years I am doing the service of spreading this knowledge of life science, spiritual science of the soul. Last point I will say that I told you our human body, which is always changing from the time of birth, but our unchanging identity is of the soul. So body is like a vehicle. Body is like a vehicle in the journey of life. Life is like a journey. Last example, last point. Life is like a journey. Body is like a vehicle. Senses, we have senses. Senses are like wheels of the vehicle. Mind is like the brake. Mind is like a brake. Brake has to be applied on the senses. क्या देखना है, क्या नहीं देखना है, क्या खाना है, क्या नहीं खाना है, क्या बोलना है, क्या नहीं बोलना है, कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ नहीं जाना है, क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है, what to do and what not to do. We should know, apply the brake of mind on the senses, 5 senses, and even our hands, legs, speech. We should have the control of the mind. Okay, who will apply the brake? Who will apply the brake in the vehicle? Driver. ब्रेक कौन लगाता है गाड़ी में? ड्राइवर. Who is our driver in our life system? In our life system, intelligence, बुद्धि, intelligence is our driver. बुद्धि अपनी क्या है? चालक. और हम कौन है? मालक. बुद्धि अपनी चालक है, सारथी. और हम कौन है? इस गाड़ी के मालिक है, थोड़े समय के लिए गाड़ी के मालिक है. आत्मा जो है शरीर का स्वामी है. आत्मा, जीव आत्मा शरीर का स्वामी है, और ये आत्मा जो है भगवान का दिव्य अंश है. और हम कहाँ से आए हैं? भगवान के धाम से आए. इफ यू नो लाइफ इज जर्नी, वी शुड नो व्हाट इज आवर डेस्टिनेशन, एंड लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन दैट इज आवर नेटिव प्लेस, जहाँ से हम आए हैं, भगवान के धाम से. दैट्स व्हाई वी से ओम असतो मा सद्गमय, ओम तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, ओम मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय. गमय मीन्स टू गो. गमय, गमन मीन्स जाना. आगमन, गमन. गमय मीन्स गो. वेयर टू गो? फ्रॉम दिस वर्ल्ड विच इज टेम्पररी, विच इज पेरिशेबल, डिस्ट्रक्टिबल, टू दैट वर्ल्ड विच इज परमानेंट, डिवाइन, स्पिरिचुअल, गॉड्स किंगडम, भगवान का धाम. दिस प्लेस विच इज फुल ऑफ अज्ञान, तमस, डार्कनेस, टू दैट वर्ल्ड विच इज फुल ऑफ लाइट ऑफ नॉलेज. दिस प्लेस विच इज नोन एज मृत्युलोका, मृत्युलोका, वेयर वन हु इज बॉर्न इज श्योर टू डाई, but we want to live all time. We want to live all time, and that place is God's spiritual world, where there is no birth for soul, there is no death, there is no old age, there is no problem. So our real permanent place is in the God's kingdom, from which place we have come. This basic knowledge will empower you, will give you no fear, will give you no anxiety, will give you all the strength to face any difficulty, any challenge. That our real self is not the body, mind, senses. Our real self is the divine soul. Divine soul, that which is by nature eternal, full of knowledge and full of bliss. Okay, I thank you all. I wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you. So I thank our dear principal sir and our all teachers to giving me this opportunity to serve you in small way. I wish you all the best. Thank you.